In this video, I'm going to show you the most effective way to generate WhatsApp leads from Facebook ads. You can use this method to get thousands of leads to your WhatsApp from a single Facebook ad campaign. Usually, if you want to get people to contact you on WhatsApp from Facebook ads, there are two easy methods you could use. First, you could add your WhatsApp business number to your Facebook page and then create a messaging campaign to WhatsApp. This method would have been cool, just that it can be very expensive and then it takes a lot of work, all those chats to qualify the leads you've gotten from a messaging campaign. The second method is to create a WhatsApp link and then use the link to create a traffic campaign so that people can just click the link directly from your ad and get to you on WhatsApp. But this method can be very confusing because most times the number of clicks you are seeing as results on your ads manager is far different from the actual number of people that have contacted you from the ad. And sometimes the quality of leads you get from this method are not that suitable for your business. Now, I've created tutorials on this channel before showing you how to use these two methods I've just mentioned. But this method I'm about to show you in this video is more effective, will get you high quality leads, and is less expensive. I've been using this method for months. I've tried it in different niches, tried it with different budgeting, different targeting, and different variables just to be sure that it's going to work for anybody. Basically, here's what this method looks like. You have a landing page and then you redirect people from that landing page to your WhatsApp. You would have seen me or other marketers on Facebook use this method, but you don't know how to set it up. That's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do. But before I continue, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the thumbs up button. I really appreciate that because that'll help a lot more people discover this video. And after we've done that, guys, let's get started. Here is a practical example of what you can achieve using this method I'm about to show you. And here's one of the campaigns I'm currently running, and I've gotten over 1,200 leads in just a couple of days using this method. And to set this up requires just 4 easy steps. The first step is to create your landing page. The second step, create WhatsApp redirect. Third step, install Facebook Pixel. And the fourth step is to create your lead generation ad. And these are the 4 steps I'm going to walk you through, starting from creating your landing page. Creating your landing page is very simple and very easy to do, and I use system.io for that. System.io has a lot of advantages. First, it is free for your first 1,000 leads, and it basically has all of the features you need for your online marketing. All you just need to do is to log into your system account. If you don't have a system account yet, I'll leave a link in the description below that you can use to create your new system account. Once you've created your system account, come over to funnels. Here you are going to see all the funnels you've already created before, but we are going to create a new one. Let me show you how to do that. Click on create, and then you want to give your funnel a name. You can give it any name you want. Let me just name this WhatsApp leads. Then you choose your funnel domain. You either use the default domain or you choose your custom domain. I'm going to select my custom domain. Then you select build an audience. Since we are generating leads, if you have a product to sell, then you can select sell product or whatever you want to do. Then currency does not really matter, but I'll select US dollar and then click create. Creating your landing page is very, very easy with System. System already has a bunch of templates that you can just pick and customize them. So what you want to do right here is to pick one of these templates that you like. So let's say I like this template. I'm going to select. You can preview to see what the template will look like in full, but I'll just select. Then you give your landing page a name. So what I'm going to do right here is to use the name of my lead magnet as the name of my landing page. So let's say you are giving away a free book. I'm going to say free ebook, how to generate 1,000 WhatsApp leads, and then URL part, you can customize this any way you want. So let me say WhatsApp leads. So this is going to be the URL that will lead people to my landing page. Then you want to click save, and the next step is to actually customize this landing page. And to do that, you want to click on this edit icon to edit this page. And the page editor on System is very simple. It's just a drag and drop editor. Whatever you want to edit, just select it and this editor will pop up with all the options you can work with. So I'll just make some changes on this page right now, but I've created a number of tutorials on System to show you fully how to use this editor. If you want to learn that, I will link those videos below in the description so I can check them out after this video. So for my title, I'll just say how to generate 1,000 leads. I'm going to make this bigger by increasing the font size. Then I also need to increase the line height so that the text don't run into each other. Then enter your first name and email. I'm going to use first name and email. I don't need the last name. To join, here I will use to get this ebook for free. All right, then on the form here, I'm going to remove this page for last name. I'll click on delete. Then for the button, I'm going to change the text inside this button. So if you select the button, this editor is going to pop up. You want to scroll down to where you have typography. Then I'm going to change this to, let's say, give me the book. And then this text right here, I'm going to remove this. Okay, then here where you have what's included, you want to just enter some bullet points of what people will learn from this book or the benefit they'll be getting from whatever your lead magnet is. So here I'm going to change this to, okay, so let's say these are the 3 major stuffs people are going to learn from this book, and then all of these stuffs you can change this, you can even delete them completely if you want. But let's say that's all I will want to do. Basically, you want to click on save changes, and then you can click on this mobile icon right here to see what your landing page is going to look like when people visit your page from their phones. All right, so this is what my page is going to look like. If there's anything you need to change, you can just make the necessary adjustments until you have the kind of page you want. Let's say you are done designing your landing page, click on save changes. Now you can create a thank you page if you want, but I'm not going to be creating a thank you page. I'm going to add my WhatsApp redirect to this button, but you can create a thank you page where people will get to after submitting this form, and then they'll have the option to click on another button before they get to your WhatsApp. But I don't want to make the process that long, so I'm not going to create a thank you page for this. So let's say we are done with step 1. The second step is to create a WhatsApp redirect, and what we basically want to do here is to create a WhatsApp link and then add that link to this button. Okay, remember what you want to do is to get these leads to contact you on WhatsApp, and to create that link that will direct people to your WhatsApp, just come over to this website called postcron.com WhatsApp link generator. I'm going to leave this link down below in the description, so you can just click on it and it will direct you to this page, or you just go to Google and search for Postcron WhatsApp link generator. That will bring you here. Then you want to click on create link. Now you want to enter your phone number right here, so I'll just enter my phone number. When entering your phone number, you don't need to add the plus sign before your country code. Just enter your country code and then your number. Then enter the custom message you want your leads to meet you on WhatsApp with. So I'm going to use hi Emmanuel. So I have this very short message here. Hi Emmanuel, I want your free ebook. You can type in whatever you want here, depending on how you want the conversation with your leads to go. So I'll click on get link. This is the link. I'll just click on copy link. Let me just show you a very quick example. If I open a new tab and then I paste this link, you will see that once people click on this link, it's going to bring them over to my WhatsApp, and this is what you want to achieve. But this link is very, very long, so I'm going to use a link shortener to shorten this link, and I'm going to use tinyurl.com, even though this is not the link we are going to be using on our ads, but I don't like the way it is that long, so I'll click on make tiny URL, and then this is the shortened link. You want to copy this link and then come back to your landing page editor. So what we're going to do right now is to add that link to this button. So you click on this button, these options are going to come up. You want to set what's going to happen after people fill in their name and email here, and then click the give me the book button. So what you want to do, you want to select send form. Then the next stage, you want to select to a custom URL. So do you want to direct users after contact registration? We are directing them to a custom URL, and then paste that link right here. So after pasting the link, if people fill in their name here and their email and they click give me the book, it's going to bring them to me on WhatsApp. So you want to click on save changes, and then we continue. Just a quick demonstration. If I copy this link and I open a new tab, now you see what my landing page looks like live on the internet. So let me enter my name here and my email, and then I click on give me the book. You see that it's going to redirect to WhatsApp, and this is what you want to do. Whenever people come to your landing page, they enter their details and they click the submit button, they come over to you on WhatsApp. Now that we've confirmed that everything is working, I'll come back here and I'm going to delete this default thank you page that system has here. I don't need that thank you page. So we have our landing page right here, and we are done adding our WhatsApp link. So step 2 is done. The third step is to install our Facebook pixel, and to do that, you just need to come over to your Facebook business manager, and I'm going to click on all tools and then come over to business settings. Here you want to scroll down to data sources and then click on pixels. And what you want to do here is to create a new pixel. Alright, so I'll click on add, give your pixel a name. I'm going to use WhatsApp lead for instance, and then click on continue. Okay, so your pixel is ready. You want to set up the pixel now, so you click on set up the pixel now, and then you want to use manually add pixel code to website. So I'll select this option. This if you are using system for your landing page. Now different landing pages will have different installation process, but if you are using system, this is the method you can use. Some of the landing pages will just need you to copy the pixel ID and paste. So I'm going to copy this code right here. You just need to click and you'll be able to copy, and then I'll turn on advanced matching. Then I'll come back to system, click on this edit icon. Over here you want to click on settings and then scroll down to the very bottom. You see tracking. For the tracking, you want to select lead as the Facebook event, then click on edit header code. Then you paste your pixel code that you just copied from Facebook right here, and then you click on save, and then click on save changes, and then click continue right here. Okay, so with that, we've successfully installed our Facebook pixel to our landing page. So I'll come back to my business manager here, and then to test if your pixel is working properly, let me just copy the link to my landing page. Here's the link. Come over here and then paste the link in here, and then click send test traffic. This page is going to load, and then I'll come back here to check just some seconds, and as you can see, the pixel is active. All right, so everything is working properly. You want to click on continue, and then use Facebook's event setup tool to set up your lead event. So paste your website URL, which is the link to your landing page, and then click on open website. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click track new button, and then scroll down and select this button, and then assign this button lead. Okay, don't include value, click confirm. This process will basically help Facebook track activities on your landing page properly. So you want to click on finish setup, finish, skip. Let me just skip this survey. So I've successfully done that. You just want to click on close. Then what I'm going to do here is to come over to connected assets, add assets, and then assign this pixel to my ad account. So I'm going to select my ad account and click add. It's very important that you do that so that you'll be able to see this particular pixel whenever you are setting up your ad. So we are done installing our Facebook pixel. That means we are done with step 3. Now, the final step, which is step 4, is to actually create our lead generation ad. And to do that, just come back to Facebook and then click all tools, go to ads manager. Then here, just click on create to start a new campaign. Campaign objective, I'll go for conversions. Now, let me also mention that if this objective interface for your own ad account is the recent one, that means you will be going for lead. Okay, you go for lead. But if your interface still looks like the old one, the way I have here, then you are going for conversions. You can name your campaign if you want, but I'm not going to do that. I'll click on continue. Then here you can just do all of those normal stuff you know how to do, but this is not something that I'm going to talk about right in this video. I have other Facebook ads videos that you can check out if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, and also subscribe to the channel if you want to see more Facebook ad videos in the future, and turn on the bell notification so that I get notified anytime I upload those videos. Okay, so I'll come over to the ad set by clicking on next. So conversion location, select website, then you scroll down and then select a pixel. This is where you select the pixel that we've just created. So I'll select WhatsApp leads. Then for conversion event, you want to select lead. Just scroll down, you see lead right here. And then with this, enter your budget, enter your targeting, and then go ahead and set up your ad, publish your ad. Once your ad starts running, people are going to start visiting this page, and then they can enter their name and their email, and then they can click this button to get redirected to you on WhatsApp, where you offer them the lead magnet or whatever it is you are promising to offer them. So guys, this is a simple process you can follow. And let me also mention that I have a very simple page here, just because I don't want to make this page too long. But what you can do when creating your landing page, make sure it has enough details to make people want to get your lead magnet. That's one way to qualify your leads and also increase the number of leads you can get if they know exactly what they are getting and what to expect. And with a system like this, as you are generating leads to your WhatsApp, you are also able to build your email list, and then you can retarget them easily by creating a custom audience of your leads from this page. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If this method works for you, let me know down below in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.